Hello everyone, join me as I take on the challenge of starting my very own podcast from scratch, and I'll share every step of the journey with you. Today, we're talking about podcasting, a medium that's seen incredible growth in recent years. More and more people are tuning into their favorite shows, and it's easier than ever to start your own podcast, no matter what you're passionate about. One of the biggest myths about podcasting is that you need to be a tech expert or have a lot of experience in the industry. But the truth is, anyone can start a podcast, regardless of their background or skills. The biggest hurdle for most people is simply taking the first step. When it comes to starting a podcast, many aspiring podcasters face similar challenges. One of the biggest ones is finding your niche. What are you going to talk about, and who's your target audience? This can be overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. Another common challenge is developing the technical skills needed to record and edit your podcast. And let's not forget about content creation, coming up with engaging topics and guests, and figuring out how to structure your episodes. Another major hurdle is the fear of not being good enough, or that your podcast won't be successful. You might worry that you don't have the right equipment, or that you're not charismatic enough. These fears can hold you back from taking action and pursuing your passion. Technical skills can be learned, and there are many resources available online to help you improve. And as for content creation, the more you do it, the better you'll get. The key is to start small, be consistent, and focus on providing value to your listeners. So, let's dive into the essential steps to start a podcast. First, you need to choose a topic that you're passionate about, and that you feel you can talk about for hours on end. This will help you attract the right audience and keep them engaged. Next, you'll need to invest in some basic equipment, such as a microphone and headphones. Don't worry, you don't need to break the bank, there are many affordable options out there. Once you have your equipment, it's time to start recording. This can be a nerve-wracking experience, especially if you're new to speaking in front of a mic. But remember, it's okay to make mistakes, it's all part of the learning process. And when it comes to editing, don't worry too much about perfection, just focus on getting your message across. One key insight I want to share with you is the importance of authenticity and consistency in podcasting. Your listeners will be able to tell if you're being fake or trying to imitate someone else's style. Be true to yourself, and focus on providing value to your audience. And don't worry if you don't see immediate results, consistency is key when it comes to building a loyal following. So, there you have it, the main steps to start your own podcast. It's not rocket science, and anyone can do it. Remember, the most important thing is to take action, and not be afraid to learn and adapt as you go. In conclusion, starting a podcast is within your reach. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back from pursuing your passion. Take the first step today, and see where your podcasting journey takes you. If you're thinking of starting your own podcast, I'd love to hear about your ideas in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips and resources on podcasting, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.